vacuum should I choose today for cleaning the house? I don't know. There's so many to choose from. I don't know which one to use. I think you should use a Bissell vacuum. You think I should use a Bissell? I have the Bissell Power Force bagless right there. What else? I have the Bissell Power Clean. I have the Bissell Plus over there. The Power Force bagged. I mean, which one do you want me to use? You can choose any vacuum you want. I don't really care. It's your collection. So, it's up to you. I don't know what vacuum I should use. My friend said I should use this Bissell Power Clean right here, or this Bissell Power Force bagless. I don't know which one to use. Should I choose something else? It's up to you. I don't care what vacuum cleaner you use. I could use my Shark vacuums, maybe. Yeah, use my Shark Navigator right there, lift off. Or maybe use this Shark Navigator vacuum cleaner right here. I don't know. I have so many vacuum cleaners. I don't know which one to use to clean the house. Well, you should choose something, because this house isn't going to clean itself. Maybe you should use Oric. You're right. I might choose my Oric to clean the house. But it needs a new belt. I mean, where am I going to find a belt for it? Well, I don't know what to tell you. You can go on eBay or Amazon and find a belt for your Oric vacuum cleaner. Well, if I need a belt for my Oric, isn't it going to cost a lot on finding a belt on eBay or Amazon or something? I mean, I don't really have the money right now. Scott, you can always make a GoFundMe page and get money for stuff you want. Jeff, are you trying to get me in trouble? I'm trying to buy a belt for my Oric, and you're acting stupid. Do you want me to get in trouble? I'm sorry, Scott. I was just trying to help you out. It's okay. I don't know what vacuum cleaner to choose, though. I mean, I could use my Hoover convertible over there, the dark green one, if you want to see it. Oh, that's a nice vacuum cleaner. I think you should use that one. You're right. I might use that green Hoover convertible. Well, thanks, Jeff, for choosing the vacuum I should use to clean my house. No problem, Scott. If you ever need me, you know where to find me.